Good morning. It has been 3 days since I did this hair. I am ready to take it out. I went to bed pretty early last night. I think I went to bed around 10, almost 10. And then I woke up at 4. For some strange reason, I feel tired. I woke up at 4, called a friend of mine in Ghana. We had a good chat about life. And I have to go this morning to go work nursing. I have a shift today. It's been a while since I picked up a shift, and I want to make sure that, I keep my license going, so I am working a shift today. I didn't mind taking my hair to the shift like this, just kind of putting it back like this and letting this fall, but I can't go back to sleep after I did my walk, so, well, I figured I'd just come and take it out with y'all. So what am I doing? I had put a couple of elastics, see that? I had put a couple of elastic bands just to hold the hair to lay, because my hair is not super long. I wanted to lay nicely, look decent, and not just like be wild. So that's why I have elastic bands in it. So you know what? I'm going to spend this time taking out all the elastic bands out of the ends of the hair. Now I put it there because I wanted it to, say give me a curl. You see the curl? I wanted it to give me a curl. So now that I got my ends curly, I'm going to take all the elastic bands out and I will take out the hair with you. I decided to mix 2-strand twist with braids to see what kind of a curl pattern I get. You know me, always trying something new. So I did this braid, I believe, going out, because I did it like this because I wanted to give me that flared out look. And then I believe I did this one going in to give me an inverted braid. And the top, I did 2-strand twists. So the top here is all 2-strand twists. And this is also 2-strand twists. Because this is going to be front, this is going to be back. And I just kind of intermixed them. So we'll see. I just took out the elastic bands. And this is how it's looking. I'm just going to spray a little oil all over. Ooh, got my face. And some in my hand. I'm just going to rub it all over before I release it. And if I feel like I need more, I will add more. But I really feel like I need this. Let's start releasing this. I hope I like it. I think I like it. Let me oil my ashy spots, because some of y'all, you don't come to look at the hair, you come to look at everything. The detail-oriented people, people who pick up everything, like me. I'd be watching a movie with my husband, right? And then I'd be like, oh, why is her eyebrow looking like that? Or, gee, who did her makeup? That's bad work. Or something like, oh, I like her shirt. And then he'd say, wait, are you watching the movie? Or did you come to critique everything else in the movie? I'm like, dude, I can't help it. My eye just picks up everything. I'm not like intentionally trying to look for these things. They're right there. But I think that's just how women are, right? We pick up everything. All right, let's see how this thing is going. 2-strand twist. Oh, what am I doing? 2-strand twists mixed with braids. How do we like this? How do you want it? It's interesting. So I kind of got spoiled by that spiral curl that I did earlier that was so voluminous. I like big hair. This is pretty, but I feel like it's fallen, like it's... Anyway, let me not prejudge before I finish everything. So let me just be quiet and just take everything out and see how we're really doing. I switched my camera to regular video instead of the cinematic. I wanted to see if maybe it makes a difference. Looking at this hair, what y'all think? All right, I'm gonna do everything and I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I don't know if this is gonna make any difference, but I two-strand twisted the back, and then the next level, I braided them. These are braided. So the reason why, so let me tell you why I did what I did. In my mind, I don't want to lose my length, and I feel like braids kind of shrinks your hair a little bit. And so I did two-strand twist for the very bottom because that would elongate a little bit better. So that gives me that length. And then I did the braid on top of it to give it a layered look and fullness. So we'll see if my idea worked or not. Mixing curls, does it make a difference? Do we get fullness? I think so. I think it gives a different look. I think it gives almost a same braid out look, but not quite. You can see the mixture in here, especially with the two-strand twist in here. You know what I'm saying? You see these? You can see the big curls. I kind of like that. I might have to try that again. The big two-strand twist curls. I like this look. I probably should have done that on the top instead of the braid out on the top. But at least it releases the hair enough to give me some length. So, not complaining. All right, so what if I split this in the middle? How would it look like? Or, better yet, since I like the look of the braid, the two-strand twist out, the large one, how about if I flip that over instead? Yep, some nice fullness right there. Works for me. This is cute, y'all. I am happy with it. I'm really happy with the way that it looks. I'm gonna change my camera so you also can see a little bit more details. Okay, so this shows you everything the way that it really looks. The other one is nice. Gives you a blurry background, but I feel like it takes away from the true look of the hair. So I'm gonna go around one more time so you guys can see how it actually looks. But I'm very happy with it. Like I said, I really love the two-strand twist that I did here. I did like a big chunk right here versus the tiny braids. So maybe what I could do is I can intermix large two-strand twists with small two-strand twists to see how the volume looks like next time. Okay, I couldn't even appreciate it. I couldn't even appreciate it properly while sitting on this little phone camera and looking at it. But now that I'm standing in front of this big mirror, y'all, this is fire. This is really nice. Okay, I'm in love. Yes, ma'am. My hair is cute. My hair is cute. Okay, chica, what say ye? What say ye? What say ye? That is cute. Two-strand twist with big braids, small braids with big two-strand twists makes a difference. So learn from my mistake. I did the two-strand twist here. It was in the middle. If you want to wear your hair, if you want to have a part and wear your part, do the big two-strand twist on your part. So when you flip it, it will give this big wavy look over the hair and it creates bulk, okay? If you like big hair like me. So next time, I will make sure that if I'm going to wear my part here, this whole place will be a big two-strand twist so I can get the wave both on this side and on top. And then the little curls on the bottom. And this will probably fall a little bit tomorrow. But if I feel up to it, I might, get my face done and look pretty for y'all and for my thumbnail. Unfortunately, I'm going to work. And I'm going to be working with a patient, so I'm going to need the hair away from my face. So I'm probably just going to pull it back this way and maybe pin here so it can be away from my face while I work. See you later.